Day of love. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Julia, nice to meet you. And today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day eye makeup tutorial. So I already filmed this intro, but then I looked like a tree monster because I didn't have like mascara on or anything, and I had my like regular face on, so I looked weird. So I decided to refilm the intro. You'll see why in like a couple seconds. Yeah, it's the day of love, Valentine's Day. Whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day or you're with a significant other, I'm gonna be with my gals this Valentine's Day. Comment down below who you're spending your Valentine's Day with, or if you don't want to, then that's perfectly fine, whatever. Now if you want to see how I got like this, you're gonna see right now. Off to the video. Woo. So first for blush, so I already said I did my bronzer. Lately I've been into like the really deep blushes, but today this used to be my go-to favorite, so I'm gonna mix both of them because I want a color that's not super deep but not super bright. Do this one, the darker one first, and then this one, and then damp it into my cheeks. So then for the highlight, so I'm personally like a gold highlighty person, but it is Valentine's Day, so I want to add like a pink, a bit of pink undertone. So I'm going to mix these two. So this one is the gold one and this one's the pink one. And I'm going to go with the pink first, so it gives that undertone because I want it to look more goldy, but in some lights I want it to look a little bit more pink. Ooh, I should not be doing this right on my white comforter. Ba-bam. These two highlighters are amazing. The pink one's the Maybelline Master Chrome, and then the other one's the Ofra Rodeo Drive. And you don't want to put too much because you don't want to be like, oh my god. And then a little bit on the nose, so I just... So now for the fun part, we're going to do the eyes. So for today's eye look, I'm going to be using, I don't know if I'm going to be using both palettes, but I brought out two neutral palettes because since I'm wearing a red top, I don't want to do a red eye look or a pink eye look. I want to add a little bit of red at the bottom. So I'm going to keep it very minimal at the top because I really want the red to pop out. And I'm going to be using this red from the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. It's really hard. I've actually never played with this red, so I hope it works. It's really hard to find a good red. A lot of palettes, they don't have like a pure red. So I'm going to be using this bronze gold palette. This is usually like one of my go-to palettes. Just a big bronzy palette because even if it's not summer, it's winter time, but I still want to look bronzy. So first thing I'm going to do is take a lighter color. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color and I'm going to put it as my transition. It's good to use like this kind of, I don't know what to call it, but like a pretty wide spread brush that's huge so you can get all over your eyelid, especially for my big eyelid girls. I'm one of them. It's good for like getting everything. So now I'm going to take the next color. I'm going to take this one right here and I'm going to put this into my crease and kind of bring it over here a little bit. So then I don't like when the eye makeup is like round. I like when it's like a little bit pointy, like out here. That's just for me. But you don't want it to look like too much, so I put it in here first and then I kind of drag it. So pretty much any brown palette that you have will work because I feel like a lot of neutral palettes have the same colors. So whichever one you have could work. And then I'm going to take a darker, this one kind of has like a red undertone of it, but it's still brown. So I kind of want to draw that in. So I'm going to put this in my outer corner and really deepen it. Because I feel like with these eye looks, you don't want, whether you're going on a date or you're just spending the day with the girls, you don't want it to be too much. You know what I mean? Like the day's all about love, and whoever you're spending it with, again, whether it's like a significant other or your friends, they should love your eye look for the way it is, or you the way you are, so you don't really need a lot of makeup. Or you can wear a lot of makeup. That's what I'm probably gonna do. I was trying to be inspirational, but I don't think it really came out that way.
She's beautiful and she knows.
So now, I told you, keeping it very simple, I'm gonna put some gold. So I'm gonna take this Tartelette in blue, not Tartelette in blue, Tartelette Toasted palette. I'm gonna use this shade Candle, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyes, on all over my lids. So I like to use my finger because I find it the easiest to put on makeup with. So this is like a natural gold, like not a super harsh gold, but something that you can either use as a lid color to draw attention to your eyes, or you can even use as an inner corner highlight. Then I'm going to take the same brush and the same red color that we were using, and I'm just going to kind of go back and kind of blend it in and make it a little bit deeper. So now that we have all that set out of the way, now comes the fun part. I'm going to go in with this red. Hopefully it works. If not, then I have to come up with a backup plan. I'm going to be using this red from the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. I think this is the Red Riding Hood one. Little Red Riding Hood, yeah. So I'm going to take take a smudge brush. Smudge brushes, if you want to do a pop of color at the bottom of your eye, or just in general, I like smudge brushes better than the angled brushes. Sometimes I'll do like a smudge and then I'll do like the angle brush really in with like a deeper color, so then it really pops. For this one, you kind of have to pack it on a lot. Then I'm going to bring it out over here and kind of bring it in because I'm realizing I want a little bit more red. Then I'm not going to add any more red. This is like a clean, well, not really clean, but like clean for today blending brush, so I'm just going to blend it all together. Perfect. I think I'm done. I guess I'll add a lip color. So if you want to go really bold, you can do a red lipstick. I guess I'll do one today. Usually with this I wouldn't, but it's Valentine's Day. I'll do a red lip, but usually I would just do like a neutral lip. That's probably what I'm gonna do the day of Valentine's Day. My choice of red lip is Kylie Jenner Boss Mode or Kylie Jenner Mary Kay. I think I'm gonna do Boss. It's not Boss Mode, it's just Boss. I think I'm gonna do Boss just because it matches my outfit more. So I'm just gonna line my lips. I feel weird doing it into the camera, so I'm gonna do it over here. I kind of lined my lips really bad, but it's okay because the lipstick's gonna go over it. I like red lipsticks on myself. This is the finished look. I like the way it came out. This is a good practice run for actual Valentine's Day, but I really like it. I probably, again, won't do the red lip, or maybe I will. We're gonna decide the day up, but thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this. I feel like this was a pretty easy makeup tutorial. I don't look weird like I did at the beginning now. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want more makeup tutorials, let me know what you want. So make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, and I will see you guys next time, and happy Valentine's Day.